Welcome to New Tech Reviews.
Hello everybody, this is Peter Cholland from New Tech Reviews. This review is about ViralMoolah, and I have a number of things to say about it. It's got a mixed reception so far. A lot of people are saying it's a waste of money, it's not good, it doesn't do what it says it will do. All of which has some basis, but the guy, Venkata, who made it is really legitimate. He really does try to make new products that work. His products are often well received. He doesn't have a particularly high return rate. He's even offering $300 plus the initial cost payment for $300, wasting your time if it doesn't work. Having said all that, it is a waste of time if you're expecting it to just press a couple of buttons and make you a load of money. It doesn't work that way. It's a very well thought out piece of software, cloud-based. It allows you to find trending topics on Pinterest, and you can replicate them to posts and grow your Pinterest account. And he's set it up so they'll show you how to create your own website based on all this, with blogs, all done with very minimal amount of work, all done from within the ViralMoolah control panel. It lets you redirect an infinite variety of buyer-themed traffic, which, when applied to with the research that they show you how to do, quite clearly and well documented in the included training programs they've got in here. When you apply that research in the way that they teach you to do it, then you can convert that traffic into affiliate commission. And I don't doubt that this program will do that for you if you apply yourself to it in the right way. If you focus your work and you get on with it and start the ball rolling, then it's going to work. You do need to have hosting, and you do need a domain. They can provide you with hosting and a domain, which you'll have to purchase, but you can get that if you haven't got that sorted out, they can help you get it sorted out. It's not a problem at all. I'm going to give you some excerpts from the training video as well in this, but you can, if you click on our link below this video, and it will take you through to my bonus page and the page that describes about this program. And if you click on the buttons there, it will take you through to their sales page and all their videos and everything available there, so you can get a better idea before you have to decide whether you want to buy it or not. So do your own research, and these videos the extracts from the inside the training program will let you see that this really is a valid program. It's a valid effort, and if you work at it and get the whole thing going and put it together properly, you can make money with it. So we've got some bonuses, our own bonuses included as well. So if you go through, follow the link below, you go to our sales page and bonus page, and you can pick up the bonuses and you can pick up this program there. But you can also go through to their sales page and get more information, because I'm not going to make this terribly heavy with information. They have upsells as well, and the basic program is $17 to start with, the basic front end, You can, if you run your mouse upwards while you're looking at their sales page, you can get an extra $5 off that. And then once you have the main front end, the main part of the program, you can go to the upsells if you want to and think that they're worth it. But with your own work, I doubt you really need that. The one upsell that might be worth going for is the Stampede, which is extra $39, and that gives you a lot more traffic. And without more ado, I'll let you see inside the training program.
Step 1. Researching hot Pinterest trends by using Pinterest Predicts. Hey there, hope you are having an awesome day. What I'm about to show you is considered to be an untapped source you haven't seen before, even if you are an advanced marketer. When it comes to sharing highly valuable data for marketing purposes, one of the most transparent social platforms is Pinterest. Pinterest has an outstanding tool called Pinterest Predicts, which you can access right away by clicking on the Research tab inside your ViralMoolah dashboard. Before you see it everywhere, you can see it here. People use Pinterest to plan for the future. That means Pinterest knows what's next. In fact, 8 out of 10 of Pinterest predictions for 2021 came true. This isn't another year-end trend report. This is a not yet trending report, a window into the future, from the place where people go to plan it. This is Pinterest Predicts. So, let's look forward to 2022. You can filter the future smoking hot trends inside Pinterest for 2022 by audience and category. This looks just awesome. You could create a Pinterest board, and even your website, with all of the categories listed here. Or you could pick one of them and concentrate on that one. For example, I will pick finance to work throughout the training. Pinterest will show you some real and highly engaging boards inside its platform for you to get inspired. You could get inspired by all the graphics you see here to make sure your board, pins, and website look alike.
And lets you create an instant free traffic generation campaign in Pinterest like no other app would ever do for you. And as you can see, it lets you do it in just a few clicks. This thing is just terrific. As you can see, the profit generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step by step how to make money with ViralMoolah the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Step 1. Research. What I'm about to show you is considered to be an untapped source you haven't seen before, even if you are an advanced marketer. When it comes to sharing highly valuable data for marketing purposes, one of the most transparent social platforms is Pinterest. Pinterest has an outstanding tool called Pinterest Predicts, which you can access right away by clicking on the Research tab inside your ViralMoolah dashboard, and we will show you step by step how to use this awesome smoking hot research platform inside the ViralMoolah VIP training. Step 2. Connect. ViralMoolah connects your website in seconds with just a few clicks. You simply need to click on Add Website. Add the site title and site URL, and click on the Add button. And that's it. And if you don't have a website just yet, we have you covered on that too, because we will provide you with a done-for-you template you will use to create your clean, professional-looking, traffic-pulling, and affiliate profit-generating website in the niche of your choice in just minutes and with just a few clicks, saving you a ton of time and money. Step 3.
Right. Thank you very much for watching this video.
For more new tech reviews, press subscribe.